subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola is reportedly gearing up to launch its new smartphone under Edge series called Moto Edge 30 Pro, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders and key specification has surfaced online by My Smart Price in partner with Sudhanshu Amburi. According to leaks, the Moto Edge 30 Pro will support a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus P OLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus certification. The phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, paired with up to 12GB of RAM, and it will run on Android 12 out of the box based on MyUI skin on top. As per the camera, the Moto Edge 30 Pro appears to have a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that will house an 50MP main camera along with another 50MP ultra wide angle lens plus 2MP depth sensor. At the front, it is said to have an 60MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device will pack with a massive 5000 mAh battery that will support 68W fast charging, and additionally it is said to get in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Apart from this, there is no other details of Moto Edge 30 Pro has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Moto Edge 30 Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.